Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be talking about a unique indicator known as the symbol changer indicator. All right, it's called the symbol changer indicator for a reason, right? Because this indicator allows you to switch between different currency pairs, and time frames with just a click, right? I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. Mind you, this is a custom indicator, so you will need to download the indicator from an external site, an external source, and after that, you can then load the indicator on your chart. And that is going to be after you have added indicator file to your Metatrader indicator library. Okay, so as you can see, the indicator makes it very easy to switch between different charts. All right, if I double tap, I switch. Even a single tap, if I just tap once on it, I'm going to switch to that chart. Tap once, I'm going to switch to that chart. I'm going to switch to that chart. So this indicator is not for analysis. Okay, the indicator does not give you technical analysis ideas. It does not suggest entry points or exit points or any of such. All that the indicator does is to help you easily navigate across different charts and time frames. As you can see, both charts and time frames, that's what the indicator does. So one of the kind of traders that this indicator is going to really favor are traders who use top-down trading approach. Now, if you're the kind of trader who uses top-down trading approach, and let's say you analyze multiple currency pairs at the same time and use top-down trading approach across different currency pairs, then this indicator, the symbol changer indicator, is going to come in really handy, because you will just from one place be able to navigate through different currency pairs and time frames. Okay, so for example, with the aid of this indicator, you can be able to effortlessly change your time frames, and do your analysis. All right, and at the end of the day, it might help you to enhance your productivity, right? And if you are the type of trader that you trade with different styles, if you trade, maybe you trade in terms of trying to manage your risk. Maybe you decide to hedge across different currency pairs that has a similar symbol. For example, let's say you want to hedge across Euro JPY, Euro CHF, and maybe USD JPY, right? If you want to hedge across them, then this indicator is going to make it really easy for you to just easily swap, the charts. You can just easily swap the charts. For different strategies, actually, there are different strategies that using this indicator is going to be really beneficial. Okay, in as much as the strategy might not really be very necessary for some strategies, yeah, there are some other strategies that this indicator is going to be beneficial for. All right, now in the aspect of top-down analysis, even if you are just focusing on one currency pair, even if you're just focusing on one currency pair, you can just easily switch across time frames, right? And do your analysis. Maybe you are making use of pure price action, trend lines, support and resistance levels, and then let's just say, for example, you analyze on the daily time frame, and you found out that this is a sell trend, so you start looking for sell opportunities. And as you have identified this is a sell trend, you're looking for sell opportunities. You now go to a smaller time frame, right? Go to a smaller time frame to get precise entry And so in as much as the Metatrader terminal has, you know, a bar for time frames, right? You might be wondering, what is now the point of this? It's going to be easier if you are doing your analysis across multiple pairs at the same time. Yes, that's when it's going to be beneficial, unless there is not really a difference. If it's just one currency pair you are focusing on. But if you are focusing on multiple currency pairs, then that's when you are going to enjoy this indicator, because you can just easily swap. You can just easily swap and then look at the time frame you want to look at and swap to the next currency pair. So that's when it's going to come in really handy. All right. So that is it actually for this indicator. There is not much things to say concerning this indicator, because this indicator only function is to make it easy for you to effortlessly change your time frames and currency pairs very swiftly. All right. So you need to have a strategy before you even make use of this indicator. You need to already have a strategy, because if you do not have a strategy, then this indicator is going to be pointless for you. Okay, without a strategy, right? Without a strategy, you're not going to need this indicator for anything. Okay, so you need to have a strategy first, and irrespective of the strategy that you are using, please make sure that you always observe good risk management. All right, and make sure that you do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. It is very important, irrespective of the strategy that you are using. Okay, even if you are using pure price action, all right, or if you are using indicators, make sure that you do not trade with an amount you can afford to lose. Make sure that each trade, you do not risk in each trade, you do not risk more than 2% of your capital. Okay, that you don't risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right. So it's very important, and I usually emphasize the need for support and resistance levels, irrespective of the strategy you are using. Support and resistance levels can really, really be beneficial, because they give you a heads up as to potential reversal points. All right. So even when using the symbol changer indicator, and let's say you want to analyze your charts of different currency pairs and plot your levels, right? Support and resistance levels and trend lines and all of that. You can just easily, swap to the currency pair that you need, plot your levels very easily, identify reversal points, and identify, your dynamic resistance and support zones, and you quickly go to the next, and you do same and all of that and all of that. And then once you're done doing that, when it's time to enter a trade, you can just easily switch across the charts and find a good opportunity. Let's say that let's say you're analyzing three currency pairs at the same time: Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD, and you have already plotted your levels across the charts, and now you are looking for good opportunities. You can just easily use the symbol changer indicator to just swap across as you are timing. For example, if you are a scalper, right? If you are a scalper, you are timing, when the price is going to get to a particular level, whether a resistance level or a support level. You're just watching closely, to find when the price is going to get there. So it's going to be easy for you to just swap across the charts as you are quickly watching to know when the price is going to get to the particular level that you're waiting for. All right. So for different strategies, this indicator can be beneficial. All right. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video insightful. If you have any experience using the symbol changer indicator, you might want to share your experience with us. And if you have any questions, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. Happy trading.